Hey Millennium Minders, I'm super excited to share with you in this video how this YouTuber Franklin Hatchet made $1,500 in his first 2 days doing this method. And I've actually made a video very similar to the strategy before on Google on how you can make $200 a day on Google with the strategy. And it's completely for free. This is a free method. You don't need any investment to get started. And also you can do this from anywhere in the world, which is amazing. As well, you're going to learn how you can do this step by step in this video, which makes it completely easy for you. And I've got a whole bunch of freebies for you at the end of this video, which is awesome, which will really help you get started. And I'm going to put a pop-up on the screen of what Franklin Hatchet has earned on this video. So you can see on the screen what he's earning through this method, which is fantastic. This is definitely a business model that I'm going to try out as well, and I will make a catch-up video on this. So this whole video obviously consists of Google identifying businesses, identifying problems with their business, and fixing it for them. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can find these businesses, how you can find these problems, and solve them and get paid a lot of money for this. This is a very high income skill that sits in the quaternary sector, so it really does pay well. I'm going to get straight into it, and the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a Google tab, and you want to Google a business maybe in your local area or any area. You could Google a dentist in New York, a dentist in Las Vegas, a doctor in Indonesia, whatever it may be. But I'm going to use my hometown, so I'm going to type in the search bar Port Elizabeth dentist. So you're going to see on Google that there are a whole bunch of businesses that have popped up on the first page, and we don't actually care about any of these businesses. So everybody on the first page we don't care about. What you want to do is you want to come down to the bottom of the page and you want to come to the second page of Google. Why we want to come to the second page is because all of these websites are listed on the second page, not on the main page of Google, and they are missing out on a lot of traffic and a lot of potential clients, which means there could be a couple of problems with their website, and you can help these businesses get their websites listed on the first page. And this is where you're going to cash in and get paid good money for this, because obviously these businesses, they want clients, they want profit, they want more revenue for their businesses. So this is where you're going to come in and help them on the digital side by getting them number one ranked on Google. So I'm going to put a pop-up on the screen of some of the highest profile niches on the internet. So that is like general contractors, real estate agents, chiropractors, dentists, attorneys. There are so many of them that you can search within your local town or any town, as a matter of fact. And then I'm going to show you how you can get going about this method and how you're going to actually earn from these niches. So the website example that I'm going to use in this video for you guys is this one here, Smile Hub Dentist Port Elizabeth Dr. M. Isak. So I'm going to go over to their website, smilehub.co.za, and you can see they've got a very professional website with a contact page. They've actually got their email as well, an emergency number, their address, and some brands and associations. So now what you want to do is you want to come over to another website called woorank.com. So what this website does is you can perform an entire audit on the website, which will give you every single error on the website, such as broken pages, broken links, so you can identify what you need to fix for them in order to get paid and get their website ranked on number one, which will get the business more clients, essentially getting them satisfied, which they will pay you more money for. So if I do a audit on this website, you can see this page will give you a ranking or score ranking of this website. So this website has got 36, okay, it's still going up more, 50, we'll see where it stops. Okay, you can see this website got a score of 51, so there's still a lot of pages, or there's a lot of improvements to be made. And the next step is now to identify these problems that this WooRank website has provided us on their website, and this is what we're going to offer to fix on Smile Hub, this example's website in this video, how we can fix these problems and essentially get this website listed on the first page of Google. And this is where this dentist company is going to pay you. And you can see if you scroll down on the page, there are a whole bunch of checklists or optimized ways you can optimize this website to improve its SEO and get it listed on the first page of Google. So you can see the title tag is good, but they've got no meta description. So this is something you can improve on the website. So a meta description is very similar to that of a YouTube video description or tags. Basically, popular phrases or terms or words that will list the video higher in Google's algorithm, such as this case a dentist. So you can have dentists in Port Elizabeth, doctors in Port Elizabeth, for example, in the meta description. So that is something you can improve on this website. They've also got alternative attributes, so such as images. They may be lacking images, discovered pages. So they've got a total of 32 pages on the website, which is on par, but there could be more pages added. HRE flank tags, there's no tags on the website, URL parameters, and then their open graph protocol. So what this means is this website has a problem with their Google snippets. You can see they don't have an image that should be 200 pixels by 200 pixels. You know, when you see Google ads, this is sort of what the snippet looks like. Their website, their link, the logo, the title and the description is okay, but they do lack an image, which really hinders or hits the SEO of the website in a negative way. So this is something that can also be improved on the website. And then if I come down to tap targets, so in the table below you can find tap targets that are too small, their size in pixel, and the overlapping target that is too close to be easily clicked. So you can see there's obviously a picture or text that is overlapping on the website somewhere, which can also be improved on. And then the website doesn't have a custom 404 page. So what this means is when the website clicks, or there's a link, somebody goes to a link where a page doesn't exist, that means the website is just going to give an error. So what you could improve on is creating a custom 404 error page, meaning it will send them back to the home page. It will redirect a client back to the home page when they click on a page that doesn't exist. This is something that is broken on the website and that you can improve on. Same thing with the asset minification. You can reduce 31% by minifying the assets below. So these are obviously two called caches or cookies that could be minified, that is wasting space or storage on the website. If you come down more, you can see a lot of the language, the asset compression is good. And then backlinks. So you can see the backlinks is very bad. The backlinks counter is only at 3. So you can maybe add more backlinks to the website. So if you want to search what backlinks are, you can go backlinks of a website, the backlinks meaning. So a backlink for a given web resource is a link from some other website to that web resource. A web resource may be a website, a web page, or web directory. So what this means is, let's say for example, you're on YouTube and you have a link to this website through your YouTube video description. That is a backlink to this website. So there's only 3 of them somewhere on the internet that is redirecting to this website, smilehub.co.za, which is not good. So what you could do is you could make a YouTube video promoting this company, and you can add backlinks to that video to really increase the score to get it higher listed on Google. And then you've got Facebook page, Twitter account. So this website really needs to improve on their social media side, such as a Facebook page, a Twitter account page, and an Instagram account page, because obviously Google, Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter all go hand in hand when it comes to SEO optimization. So that is one thing this company can also improve on. And if I come down traffic estimations, you can see the traffic is very low because of the fact it's probably listed on the second page of Google. So by doing and improving all of these errors on the website, the website will naturally get more traffic. So these are all the sort of things you can improve on this website specifically. So for a meta description, you can literally put popular keywords. You can go use Google Trends, just put popular keywords in the meta description and they can pay you like $200-300 for this. And what you can do for a custom 404 page, you can go get a plugin called WP404 Auto Redirect. And this is a plugin for WordPress websites that will redirect 404 error pages back to the home page or back to a page of the website admin's choice. So this is a plugin you can use to fix this error on the custom 404 page, which they can also pay you a couple of $100 for, which is really handy. And this means that the site will all connect and it will make the website seem a lot more cleaner and a lot more systematic to Google, which favors the Google algorithm, which will essentially get the website in favor of hopefully getting listed on the #1 page. And broken links or error 404 pages, a custom 404 page is probably some of the most popular errors on many of the websites that you will put in WooRank. So on the screen, I've got some simple fixes that you can do. So you can optimize the meta title and description, content keyword optimization, install a sitemap, fix any broken links, and image the alt attributes. So the next thing you want to do is you want to contact them. So I've actually got a fantastic template for you guys. You can see I've got it in a text document. An email that you can send this company. So I'm going to put this on the side here. I'm going to quickly go back to their website and you want to go find the email. So here you can see on the home page, they've got info@smilehub.co.za. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open up my email client. I'm using Mozilla Thunderbird for this video, as I've got my own business email, jfroneman@fronemanenterprises.com. So I'm going to open up a new email. So I'm going to go right. And you can see I've got the company's email to info@smilehub.co.za. You want to post that there And then I'm going to put this aside, and I've got the template that I'm going to use to send them. So I've got a template here that I've made for you guys called Hey There, who's the right person at the company's name to talk about potential traffic issues for your company's website. So obviously you want to identify the person that is in charge of managing the company's website, because they're the one that you need to be in contact with in order to fix the website for them. So you can also say to them, I would love to help you maximize traffic and get more customers to your business. But the main key about this first email is that you don't want to mention what your price is. You don't want to mention any sort of prices. You just want to kind of give them an offer. You might get a reply, you might not, they might ignore your email, depends what happens. And you can also say, I came across the company's name and found some issues that are affecting the company website. And right now the company is on the second page on Google for your most important search term. So when your customer searches for that local keyword, you could potentially be missing out on critical customers. So you first want to show them, you want to identify to them what is wrong, the fact they're missing out on so many clients, and then how can you help? So how I've run a complimentary audit on the website and found some issues. Then what you can do is you can list all the issues here. So as I said, to you previously, you could say your meta, title, and description, and you can also say your content keywords need optimization, and you can say the website needs a sitemap, and you can put as a second one broken links need fixing, and then finally that's all we can add. We can just keep it those 4, and then I can fix these issues for you by helping you get more leads and sales. And I know how important just one customer is to you. Just one customer who needs to spend money with you could be worth thousands of dollars to the company's name. If you could forward me to the right person, I would be happy to get started on this for you and bring more quality customers to your company name. Thanks, and you can put your name. So you can just copy this template. I'll leave it in the description where you can copy it, and you can use this email to send to how many ever companies you want to contact for this method. And what a lot of businesses do is they charge hundreds of dollars to do this on a daily basis. So you could start this as your own online business, your own business model, by ranking companies on the #1 page, which is really fantastic. It's a great way to get started with a full-on business online. I mean, this, as I say, you just need your laptop. You can do it anywhere in the world, which is fantastic. And I can guarantee you, all the websites that you come across will have some sort of error, because that's the reason they listed on page 2 of Google. There's the website, that means the website is not perfect, and this is where you're going to come in and fix all these errors that I've listed in this video for this website that you now want to target and hopefully earn money off of. And you can charge, as I say, $100 for the fix, $200, depending on how many errors there are. If there's obviously less errors, you're going to charge less. The more errors, charge more. And as I say, you could be making $200-300 a day. Franklin Hatchett made $1,500 in his first 2 days doing this method, which is really good. But comment down below what you guys think of this method. I've got some great templates for you here, as I've got listed down in the description, that you guys can use. But comment down below what you think of this method. I really think it's a profitable one. And also leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I'll really appreciate the support. Every single one of you subscribed. I appreciate all of you watching my videos and showing support, and I'm really glad that I can help you guys earn money online. But guys, if you're keen for tomorrow's video, make sure to subscribe down below if you're new, so I can send you a notification when my new video comes out. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.